Good morning, it's Sunday. And you know what that means? Art and architecture. Ghost fact possible. We may have slipped one in, or did we? Which of the following was not a city where the Bauhaus had a campus or major presence? Nailed it, Munich. What is a key characteristic of vertical gardening, also known as living walls? Boom. Correct. Growing plants on a vertical surface, often a wall. Johannes Vermeer is famous for his meticulous use of light and detail. Which city was he primarily active in? Boom. Correct. Delft. What was the primary reason for the eventual closure of the Bauhaus school in 1933? That's right, political pressure from the Nazi regime. What is the term for the minimum price that a seller is willing to accept for an item at auction? Correct, reserve price. Which auction house, known for its innovative sales, was acquired by Patrick Drahi in 2019? Boom! Correct. Sotheby's. What is the term for the practice of shaping trees and shrubs into ornamental shapes? That's right, topiary. Which of these artistic movements, emerging in the mid-20th century, rejected traditional artistic boundaries and embraced mass culture, influencing interior design with bold colors and pop art imagery? Boom. Correct. Pop art. Which artistic movement, emerging around 1910, is characterized by fragmented forms and multiple perspectives, famously exemplified by the works of Pablo Picasso and Georges Braque? Nailed it, Cubism. What is the name of the famous Egyptian bust, discovered in 1912, and residing in the Neues Museum in Berlin, believed to depict the great royal wife of the Egyptian pharaoh Akhenaten? Correct, bust of Nefertiti. Challenge complete. Follow for geography tomorrow.